When people see city light workers in action, they most often are watching line workers, electrician journeymen, and apprentices who are out in the neighborhoods, usually high above the ground, maintaining and repairing the lines that carry power to homes and businesses. What customers don't see is another important group of electrical workers who make sure there is power in those lines. Those workers are known as electrician constructors. This group is responsible for maintaining and repairing the equipment that helps distribute the power to customers. Electricity is transmitted from one of the generation sources over high-tension power lines at extremely high voltages. This power needs to be stepped down through the use of transformers, which range from large pieces of equipment located in substations on down to the small cans that sit atop power poles and make the voltages usable by household appliances. Power is routed to and from these transformers via switches and circuit breakers. Electrician constructors are the specialists who keep these important parts of the system up and running. Much of the work is preventive maintenance, keeping the equipment from failing and causing customers to lose power. Electrician constructors can be found working at one of the hydroelectric generation projects, inside the electrical shop out of the elements, or outside at a substation, working in the rain or whatever else nature has in store on any particular day. Constructors must master several skills, ranging from operation of standard tools like wrenches and hammers, to heavy lifting equipment like cranes and lifts, to sensitive metering devices. In addition to hands-on work, the constructors may also need to apply mathematical computations and deciphering of maps and blueprints in their everyday work.
Great opportunity to do the full range of construction. You get to use your mind when it comes to electrical circuits and the scheme of things, and you have to have your head cut in because you're working with a lot of high voltage and all of surrounding you, so you really have to know where you're at, and then you get to use your hands and your body and actually physically put in electrical apparatus, and it's a great all-around construction job.
Working in a substation can be dangerous work. Voltages can range from 26,000 volts to 240,000 volts. However, electrician constructors follow a coordinated safety regime that lets them go about their work safely.
About 80% of our job is knowing how to de-energize equipment so we can work on it. We don't work on it in a high voltage state because the voltages are too high. So our main job is to figure out how to de-energize things properly so that no one gets hurt.
The work is coordinated with power dispatchers at the System Control Center, the nerve center for City Light's thousands of miles of power lines and associated equipment. While testing transformers, safety is also important, not only to the electrician constructors, but also to other personnel who may be working in the same area. This test is designed to make sure it can carry the designed load, operate safely, and will last the manufacturer's stated lifetime. These transformers are scheduled to be installed in commercial buildings. Others tested will go into substations, underground vaults, pad mounts, and on top of power poles. It's best to find a problem here rather than after one has been installed in a project. Electrician constructors are trained through a 4-year apprenticeship training program. This program not only trains, but exposes the workers to the different kinds of jobs the utility has for them in the future.
So as an apprentice, I get to do a lot of outside rotations as well.
It's great. It's the best job there is.
This is Scott Thompson reporting for Seattle City Light.